Hello, I'm Jennifer Davenport, and in today's video we are going to tour two unique homes that were decorated by three of my designers for the holidays. So stay tuned. So three members of my design team, Alice, Kayla, and Jena, did some beautiful Christmas designs this year. And the very first one that I want to show you is one of our dearest clients. And this client absolutely loves color. So Alice brought a lot of color into this design. Take a look. The color began at the end of the driveway with a lovely custom mailbox swag. Then the front porch invites you in with lots of whimsical pinks and greens on the porch tree. The first tree you see when entering the home is this absolutely gorgeous rust and teal flock tree. These colors are not your typical Christmas colors, but my goodness, are they stunning together. Notice the fun pairings of ribbon. This is something you'll see throughout the designs of this home. This arrangement in a dough bowl is so simple: greenery, ribbon, and a few pine cones. Check out this asymmetric mantle arrangement. Although it is asymmetrical, it is still balanced with the stockings on one side and the long colorful ribbon on the other. This vibrant, whimsical tree is so this client's style. Look how cute the curled ribbon is. The velvet magnolia leaves are to die for and look amazing paired with all the colors on this tree. This client loves her pets, so of course they had to be included in the design with their own colorful stockings. Now this staircase garland's ribbon is so fun. Notice how the different ribbon styles and textures still work together to create a dynamic and coordinating combination. The upstairs tree is bright pink and green with different shades of each. Here is another great example of mixing ribbon textures yet still maintaining a cohesive scheme. And check out this awesome brass bells that were added to the tree for a unique contrasting element. I want to take a moment and thank Lightspeed for sponsoring this video. Lightspeed is our point of sale system that we use every day in our business. Lightspeed allows me to offer my customers personalized service through its tracking of purchase history and its ability to special order items that I may not have in stock. Even my design services are managed through work orders on Lightspeed. It's truly a one-stop commerce platform. So if you want to learn more about Lightspeed, check out the video I made where I showcased the platform and how it helped us get our entire store ready for the holiday season. I'll put a link in the description below. Now let's get back to Christmas decorating. Starting with the front porch, my designers kept things simple and realistic greenery paired with blue and green ribbon to invite guests into the theme of the home. The main tree of the home is so fantastic. It reminds me of a Ralph Lauren with the gorgeous ribbons. And even though the blues are different shades, they coordinate wonderfully together, including the beautiful green spiraled ribbon. Like the other home, large bells were added to the tree to provide elements other than just ornaments and ribbon. Don't be afraid to add unique things to your tree. Much like the colorful home, my team chose to implement an asymmetrical garland for the mantle. With stockings on one side and a large bow with tails on the other, it remains balanced. My team decorated the kitchen shelves with various Christmas accessories and art to bring a bit of cheer to a space that is typically more neutral. This is one of my favorite things they designed for this home. Also in the kitchen, elements of Christmas were added by simply putting ornaments in a bowl or placing winter greens in a vase. Simple but effective. The next tree is in the husband's office. He loves to hunt, so the tree's design reflects that passion with pheasant feathers and natural elements. Well, I hope you found some Christmas inspiration in this video. Be sure to check out some of my other Christmas videos, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell. It'll tell you when I have a new video out. We've got some exciting things coming out for the new year. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody.